it's October. Can you guess what we're doing today? How about now? Can you guess now? If you guess that we're carving pumpkins for Halloween, you're absolutely correct.
Yep, and we're gonna show you how we carve our pumpkins. What we need are nice fresh pumpkins. The longer and greener the stem is, the fresher the pumpkin will be. We also need a medium-sized knife and a small knife, just like this crafting knife and paring knife. A big spoon or an ice cream scoop, dry erase markers, an apple peeler, some water and lemon juice, some Vaseline, a bowl, and some battery-powered candle lights. Where did we get these?
They were delivered yesterday.
They were delivered yesterday? Mommy and Daddy must have ordered them.
No, this is for my birthday. Mom, it's not your birthday. Yes, it is.
Okay. Well, let's get started. So, most of the time, people cut a hole in the top of these pumpkins. But instead, we're going to cut a hole in the back of these pumpkins.
Why, Domino?
Why? Because the stems of these pumpkins contain nutrients that help the pumpkin stay healthy longer. They'll get rotten quicker if we cut the stems off.
We might as well cut the top of this one off because the stem broke off.
Yeah, you're probably right. We're just gonna put a dot on the side that we want to be the face. Dot.
I'm gonna put a dot.
Is that good?
Yes.
So on the opposite side of the dot, we're gonna cut the hole.
But I'm gonna cut the top of mine because I don't have a stem.
There. It's not perfect, but it's something. Now that we've drawn the lines for the holes on the pumpkin, we're going to cut the lines out. But remember, when handling knives, adult supervision is required.
I'll take that.
Now that the hole is cut, we can pull it out now. Oh. Whoa. Look at all the goop inside. Now to scoop out the goop.
Once we've got all the goop out, we're gonna use an apple peeler and an ice cream scoop to get all the stringy things out. So we're spraying lemon juice mixed with water as we go so we can kill all the bacteria inside the pumpkin.
So now that we finished carving out all the goop,
We can draw faces.
now that we're finished with making the faces on our pumpkins, it's time to let the grown-ups cut them.
Okay, so here are the final carved pumpkins. Good, we put the candles in now.
Before we put the candles in, we want to make sure we spray the entire pumpkin with the water and lemon mixture one last time. And finally, we want want to take the Vaseline and rub it all over the pumpkin, especially on the cut corners. This helps to keep it moisture so the pumpkin won't shrivel up or dry up too quickly. Now we can put in the candles.
Turn off the lights. Okay. Ooh. It's so cool.
Pumpkins are glowing. Okay guys, that was fun, but I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired too. And we should turn the candles off so the batteries don't run out.
That's a good idea.
Good night, pumpkins. Why are the pumpkins flying?